Can't do it. So she has to put it in.
That's right. Yeah, go get your brother. Tell him we're gonna blow stuff up. You don't have your brother. Where's your brother?
Over here.
Oh, okay, here you go. Put that down. Put that down. Put it down.
Okay, now.
Put that in the microwave.
What's this?
It's a bar of Ivory soap. Put it in there.
To be what?
You'll see. Put it in there. Now shut the door. Push the start button 2 times.
What's it gonna be? What are you gonna?
Just watch. Watch.
Wow. Why is it doing so? Why is it doing that?
Because that's what happens when you put a bar of soap in the microwave. That's cool, right?
Right. But now that stuff is holding. Did you make
Yeah,
it?
because it's turning.
So can I open the microwave?
No, wait.